Welcome to Danger Zone. Today, we'll dive into one of the most devastating natural disasters in modern history, the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. This isn't just a story about nature's destructive power, but also a lesson in humanity's resilience and unity in times of crisis. If you're intrigued by the mysteries of nature and want to learn more about disasters like this, stay with us until the end of the video. Don't forget to comment below on the topics you'd like us to explore in future videos. On the morning of December 26, 2004, an earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1-9.3 struck beneath the Indian Ocean near the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. This was one of the most powerful earthquakes ever recorded, lasting between 8 and 10 minutes, a terrifying duration for anyone who experienced it. According to Dr. Carrie C., a leading geologist at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, this earthquake wasn't just a shift in Earth's crust, it was the release of immense energy that had been building up for centuries. It was one of those rare geological events we hope to witness only. Minutes after the earthquake, a series of tsunamis, with waves as high as 15 to 30 meters, formed and swept across coastal regions around the Indian Ocean. These waves, traveling at speeds of up to 800 kilometers per hour, struck regions like Aceh, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, and India, leaving no time for residents to escape. According to a report by the World Health Organization (WHO), the disaster claimed the lives of over 230,000 to 280,000 people across 14 countries, with millions left homeless. Indonesia, being the closest to the epicenter, suffered the greatest loss, with over 160,000 fatalities. Jan Egeland, the emergency relief coordinator at the time, described it as one of the largest humanitarian disasters the world has ever seen. The scale of loss is unimaginable, requiring unprecedented international cooperation in relief efforts. The environment also bore the brunt of the disaster. A study by the World Wildlife Fund (WWF) revealed that coral reefs, mangroves, and coastal ecosystems were severely damaged, eliminating natural barriers that shield against storms and waves. The earthquake was caused by the subduction of the Indian tectonic plate beneath the Burma Plate along the Sunda Trench, releasing an enormous amount of energy beneath the ocean floor. According to Dr. Eddie Bernard, a leading tsunami expert at NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, if a tsunami warning system had been in place in the region, tens of thousands of lives could have been saved. This tragedy underscores the importance of swift disaster monitoring and response. Following the disaster, the global community responded swiftly. Major nations like the US and Japan, along with organizations such as the United Nations and the Red Cross, contributed over $14 billion in relief and reconstruction aid. One of the most significant takeaways from this event was the importance of a tsunami early warning system. In response, nations bordering the Indian Ocean collaborated to establish an advanced warning system, including seabed sensors and satellite networks. Koichiro Matsuura, Director General of UNESCO at the time, emphasized, "This isn't just about technology, it's about educating communities. People must know what to do when danger strikes." Thank you for watching today's video. The 2004 Indian Ocean Tsunami was not just a natural disaster, but a powerful reminder of the need to better prepare for nature's challenges. If you found this video insightful, please leave a like and share it to spread awareness. Don't forget to comment below about the topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. See you in the next episode of Danger Zone, where we'll continue to uncover the mysteries and terrifying power of nature.